Hey guys, how's it going? It's Alice. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all having a great October so far. How do you like? My camera cut me off. Hopefully you guys like the new backdrop. I figured it's time to break out all my Halloween decorations again. So, okay, there's people outside my window. Shut up. I hope you can't hear that. Whatever. I'm gonna pretend like nobody can hear it. I received the ColourPop and Safiya Nygaard lipstick collection in the mail today, and I figured what better way to break in the new Halloween setup than swatch these lipsticks, because so far this is the only Halloweeny spooky kind of makeup that I've gotten in PR that's like new this year. Came with a coupon in case any of you are interested. It is 5 Alice X Lockhart, just like my Instagram handle, only with the 5 in front of it. It's for $5 off your first order of $20 or more. If you've already ordered with ColourPop, just make a new email. Anyway, let's check out these lipsticks. So it's got the little bat, cute little packaging. We've got some shades back there. And we have a little card. It says here, "Hello friend. I'm so excited to share my ColourPop collab with you. I've whipped up each of these 6 shades in a variety of bad makeup science and mixing videos over the years, and we've given them a little batty twist to top them off. I'm so excited they're finally available for everyone to wear, and I hope you enjoy them as much as I do." So this is really cute. I actually, not gonna lie, not gonna try to be a poser or anything. I knew of Safiya, but and I've seen some of her videos, but like not a ton. But I was intrigued by the packaging, and everything looks so cute. And so I looked up her channel and I watched her latest video, which is where she kind of talks about the lipsticks, and then she shows them making the huge lipstick for the marketing campaign. I thought that was cool, and it was a fun video. In honor of the bats, I did some like batty eye makeup today. I tried to recreate some Instagram makeup artists' makeup, and I don't know if I nailed it, but. So it says here that the lipstick kit is $46 for all 6 shades. Limited edition, and they're already sold out. Jesus Christ. What's the point of this review? I don't, if they're gonna get if it's gonna get restocked, then maybe this review will be helpful for you. If not, let's just hang out and swatch some lipsticks. Hey guys, what up? It's Editing Alice here, coming at you with my favorite lunch, which is the very veggie cup of noodles. If you haven't tried this, oh my god, you're gonna die. Thank me later, it's only $1. All useless information aside, they're restocking this on December 6th, I believe. I'm gonna pop up a screenshot here as confirmation from ColourPop's Instagram. And also thank you to Nona who told me about this. I was kind of like wondering if I should even post this video, and thanks Nona for coming through with the information. Without further ado, let's get back to the video. So right off the bat, really nice components. It's metal, it's heavy, they feel nice. I'm pretty surprised, to be honest. I thought they were going to be cheap. You've got the color and the name on the bottom, bats on the lipstick tube itself, and then we have the color that the lipstick is going to be right there, and then the some imperfections, which, you know, I don't fucking give a shit. So I'm gonna swatch it. Oh cool, the lipstick shade itself is on the inside of the lid too. These are all tiny small details, but I'm enjoying them. So this is the shade Bikini Bottom. There is Bikini Bottom, an absolutely perfect warm hazelnut nude. Oh my god. Stunning. It's not too peachy. It's not too pinky. It's like a perfect muted nude. I love it so much. In between swatches, I think what I'm going to do is just grab my foundation brush that has a little leftover foundation. We'll just pat that on top. Okay, next up is the shade Mrs. Norris. See, the thing is, I don't understand these inside jokes. I mean, I get Bikini Bottom, obviously. I'm not a fucking moron. But Mrs. Norris, what is that? Is that the cat? Is that Mr. Filch's cat from Harry Potter? Oh my god. Oh, wow. This freaking shade. I'm so excited. I'm so ready. And there we have Mrs. Norris Honey. This is the most beautiful shade I've ever seen, ever. The most perfect gray beige nude that exists in the human world. Amazing job, Safiya, amazing. I know that she actually, I don't know if she actually made these shades or if they're all like a Franken lipstick type thing, but this is the best thing I've ever seen in my life. I'm gonna be wearing this all the time. My only problem is that because it's a cream lipstick, I feel like they're kind of hard to apply. I might just be the worst beauty guru ever when it comes to applying cream lipsticks, because I find them to be kind of hard. But once you you know, if you take your time, and maybe if you have like a matching lip liner or something, and like a little brush like this to clean up the edges with concealer, stunning color, absolutely flawless. Next up we have the shade Bury Me in Lipsticks, which is a berry color. Very cute name, I love puns. This one also has some slight wonkiness to the tip, but it's just the tip, am I right? Honestly, I was probably least excited about this one because I'm just not a fan of berry, pink, fuchsia, things like that. It looks cute on me because what doesn't? Again, difficult to apply because it's a cream, even more difficult because it's more pigmented, it's darker than the others. It's a beautiful shade. It is creamy and pigmented and honestly really nice. It is very common for berry shades like that to stain. I'm not gonna fully like try to get it off because I don't want to irritate my lips, but it's a pretty common thing. All right, this one is Fred. This one has a little hair on the tip. Oh my god, you guys. Should we be freaking out? Remember when everybody was freaking out about Jaclyn Hill's lipsticks? Got a little out of the lines there. No big deal though, just gonna take a little, this is Dermacool. It is so pigmented that it'll even cover up a red lipstick like that. Boom! Fred is here, honey. I feel like I need my hat for this one. This is a beautiful red. It's pretty, it's kind of close to the berry one, huh? Bury Me in Lipsticks, only it's obviously more red. It's beautiful. They're very consistent, very pretty so far. Actually stunning. We are getting stainage. Yikes. I'm not bothering wiping them off fully because we're just going darker and darker, and they're just gonna, it's gonna cover it up, so who cares, right? Anyway, next one is Screamer. Oh, bitch. This, is that hair? This is beautiful. Look at that. Would you look at that? I almost don't want to swatch it. This one is perfect. It's flawless. There's nothing wrong with it. Oh. Wait a minute. All the other ones didn't really have a noticeable... That one smells like lipstick. The other ones just kind of smell like lipstick. This one smells really weird. What the frick? It smells like... I want to say like it smells like chocolate.
What? Chocolate?
And there we have Screamer. Absolutely stunning color. Bitch. This is a... This is a really beautiful wearable vampy color if you want to experiment and maybe step out of your comfort zone. If you're used to wearing reds, might want to try this one on for size. They claim that it is a matte formula, but it's very lightweight, it's very pillowy, and pillowy, what does that even mean? It's really lightweight, it's like velvety, it's like, it doesn't feel like anything is on my lips at all, but it's a beautiful, rich, pigmented color. And I like that it's not so matte like a liquid lipstick. I would say that this is more of like a satin matte or something, because when I think of matte lips, I think super dry looking, like dry, the way that a liquid lipstick makes your lips look. And this is like, it's pretty. You can see that it's still catching a little bit of the light. Stunning, beautiful shade. Perfect for Halloween, perfect for fall and winter. Wow, you guys, instead of investing in a lip stain, if you ever want that kind of just bitten, just ate some raspberry pie look to your lips, just pop on one of your darkest like berry lipsticks for like a second and then wipe it off. Last but hopefully not least is Brucey. This one is interesting. As you can see, this one, it looks pretty good, except it has that, see that like matte looking like section right there that just has no sheen on it whatsoever. That looks a little weird. And then that little spot right there. I mean, I am not gonna be too crazy about it, but I wonder what's causing that, like, that look to it. I have no idea. And I don't care. Oh, this one smells weird too. Okay, so the matte ones smell weird. And there we have Brucey, which is an absolutely beautiful gray. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. I feel like if you haven't tried a gray lipstick, honey, you are missing out. It is so fun, comfortable. This one is a matte finish, so it's got the same kind of like satin matte in my opinion. What's going on with my hair? Anyway, wow. So there's all 6 lipsticks. Let me know which color was your favorite down in the comments below. My final thoughts, I guess. I have never tried any of ColourPop's lipsticks before. I've used their lip liners and their liquid lipsticks, but this is my first time trying either of their cream or matte lipsticks, and I'm super impressed, very happy. None of them are transfer proof, but they don't advertise that. Really impressed with the attention to detail on the packaging, the little bats engraved on the sides. I think this is like one of the best collabs I've ever seen, or best lipstick collections I've ever seen. Usually when you see a lipstick collection, whether it's a collab or just like a set, it's always so predictable. Like there's a really peachy nude, a really pinky nude, and then maybe they'll have like a berry and then a red, and that's it. Maybe a brown. Maybe a dark purple, if you're lucky, a dark berry purple. But this one is just like the perfect balance of like, I don't know, like just wearable shades, but a few fun shades to like get you to try something new and experiment. Like, I just think Safiya did an amazing job with these shades. Props to her, props to ColourPop for coming out with a collab that isn't, like, no offense to anybody, but like stupid and boring and predictable. Super cute, and I love it. I hope they're still available. Hopefully they restock. That is it for this swatch video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you are having an absolutely great October so far, and I did film this look. If you're interested, I'll link it below, or if it's not up yet, just subscribe so you don't miss it. And thank you so much for watching and hanging out with me, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.